I just wanted to inform you guys about the stock market right now. So here we are sitting. This is Sunday. Not sure. June 6th, I guess it is. Yeah, June 6th. And many people are saying, "Oh, the stock market is bullish. It's bullish. Blah blah blah." Because they're looking at the pattern like this. We have this resistance right here, and they're drawing a trend line right here, and oh, this is ascending triangle ready to break out. But in my view, I don't see the market going anywhere. I don't think we're going to see a rally anytime soon. We may see some bullish things happening over the next few days, but I think this is going to get drugged down, and this is the new pattern I'm identifying, and it could hold true. We'll see, because here is the bigger pattern that we've been trading in recently, and this pattern it can't hold too long. This is too much volatility in the market. We wouldn't have swings like this. It needs to find a new pattern, and I believe this is the new pattern that will play out for a while. So if we take a look at the 1 week chart, this is very important to know. All right, so what I see here, also people are saying this is bullish. Oh, people are buying the dip, but the market's not going anywhere. We got to think of it that way. It's not, if you see dip buyers coming in, you want to see a nice push, and I don't see that. I just see chop. So the dip buyers, they're getting weak. The people that are buying the dip aren't going to buy the dip anymore because they already bought the dip over here and here. This is important to know. And these are not hammer candles. These are hanging mans. That's the opposite. We're at the top of a trend, and these are not a good sign. I think we're going to be really choppy in the next weeks, here and here, eventually forming this pattern. So I wouldn't advise going long in this market right now, and I wouldn't even want to be buying options or trying to guess directions of anything over the shorter term. I like to hold stocks for about 1 week to 2 months, holding options that are in the money as safe as possible with high returns. But I don't see any plays. I've looked through many stocks. I cannot find anything that looks promising, that has room to run. I don't see stocks that are ready to run for a while. Yeah, the short squeezes are going on, but those are not, you can't be consistent with those. We need to be consistent. Playing short squeezes is not the way to go. I know many people that lose money from it. So here's the Wilshire. Not too many people look at this, but it can tell you a lot of information. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Oh, I guess we can't look at that. We can look at the 1 day though. Here it is. So yeah, I would not advise going long. Not much room to run, and that's why I say I think we could be a little bit bullish next week, but I don't think it's going anywhere too fast. So I would not advise you going long in this market, even though many people are talking about such a bullish market. Oh, it's going to break out. I don't see that. I don't see it. So yeah, I wouldn't choose to do anything in this market except going long for the long term. That's the only thing I see right now. I see many bottoming patterns. So if you're wanting to hold stocks for a long time, this is the time to do it. I see many stocks that are bottoming, And here's Lumen. And all these stocks I talk about, they have good numbers. Their sales growth is increasing. Their earnings per share are growing. I don't trade stocks that have bad fundamentals. You want fundamentals combined with technicals, and that's the best way to go. Yeah, Lumen, looking great, looking great. Another wedge pattern. These are the only patterns I'm finding right now, so that tells you something. Stocks are bottoming, and other stocks don't have room to run. They're out. These are not normally what I'm playing, but they're still good plays. And this would definitely be a longer term because this is the 1 week chart. And here we got some nice support right here. So yeah, I think Lumen could easily push up to the $30 range. Later, later. This is not a play that's like, oh, it went down for the week or something. No, it's not gonna go straight up, but yeah, I could see it pushing $30 in the next year or so. But that's about all I'm seeing. Jinko Solar, the play I called out, it's good. Not anymore. Its move is over for now. I'm already out of my options. I bought them down here when I first called it out. And this is going to turn into some chop. Most likely it could keep running, but yeah, we don't want to play that. It's already had its run and needs to cool off, consolidate, form some structure, then we could get the next leg up. But for now, I'm not seeing many good opportunities, so yeah. Yeah, that's pretty bearish. That's bearish. Yeah. I've went through many stocks, guys. There's not much going on. It's better to be patient than take losses. That's the most important thing. If you take a loss, it's so much harder to gain it back. It's better to just not take any losses and take the highest quality setup trades that are possible. I wish you all the best and good luck.